Imagine lining up a bunch of metals and asking, okay, which one is the feistiest? That's basically the reactivity series. Most reactive at the top, least reactive at the bottom. I can prove it with 3 quick tests. Oxygen water or steam, dilute acid. Here's the fun one. I drop a clean iron nail into blue copper sulfate solution. The nail turns copper colored. The liquid even fades a bit. What just happened? Iron muscled copper out of its own compound. That's a displacement reaction. Let me break this down. Metals like to form positive ions. The easier a metal gives up electrons, the more reactive it is. In copper sulfate, copper is Cu2+ in solution. Iron gives away electrons faster and becomes Fe2+. Those electrons reduce Cu2+ to solid copper, which plates onto the nail. The solution goes from blue to paler. Now iron sulfate. Flip it. Copper nail in iron sulfate. Nothing happens. Copper's lower in the reactivity series. It can't push iron out. Build the series by testing oxygen. Oxygen, potassium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, forms a protective oxide layer quickly. Iron rusts slowly. Copper tarnishes. Silver barely reacts. Gold barely reacts. Water, steam, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium reacts with steam, not cold water. Iron needs steam and heat to react. Copper, no reaction. Silver, no reaction. Gold, no reaction. Dilute acid, magnesium, instant fizzing hydrogen. Zinc reacts too, just slower. Iron reacts slower. Copper and below do almost nothing. Put the clues together. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, tin, lead, copper, silver, gold. Back to the nail. Iron displaces copper from copper sulfate. Copper can't displace iron from iron sulfate. That's the idea in one beaker.